My name is Parker Gant, and I'm a DoorDash driver. Oh, I got an order. Go to Boston Market. All right. This is the exciting part, is waiting to turn left. It's pretty quick between orders. I am estimating that as soon as we're done with this one, it should take around 5 minutes until the next order. If you get the food to the customer super fast, it'll increase your rating, and the better ratings you have, the more opportunities you have to make money. So it's something you always want to look out for, is your rating. Alright, so I'm here. It says that I have to pick it up by 6:26 p.m. Right now it's 6:06, so I'm going to take this time to explain a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk in, I'm going to say, "Hi, I'm Parker with DoorDash. I'm here to pick up an order." They'll probably say, "Oh, for who?" And I'll say, "Yolanda G." And see, Yolanda ordered 2 half rotisserie chicken individual meals, so I will have to make sure that those meals are on the table and those are what I pick up. And I believe that because this is usually the case, I will have to pay for it, but I won't have to use my own money. Once you sign up for DoorDash, you get one of these little credit cards. They supply you with one of these credit cards, and this is basically, you can use this card to pay for any meal that you're picking up. You know, sometimes the person pays for it on the app, but most of the time, Dashers have to use this card. This card is like, I don't know, it's very valuable. You need this card before you can even start dashing, because you don't want to spend any of your own money on other people's food, you know. All right, there you go. So I just got back from the Boston Market. I put all the food they ordered in that hot bag back there. Once you arrive, you have a little checklist that you have to go through to make sure that you have received all the food. Always double check that you've received all the food, because you don't want to make it all the way to the house and then have a person realize that they didn't get what they ordered, because not only will that make the restaurant look bad, it'll also make you look bad. And like I said before, you always want to make sure you look good, because then you get more orders, you get more perks. So checklist is done. I picked everything up. I'm going to slide after pickup. It's going to say confirming. And now we deliver it to Yolanda. It's actually really fun. It's really a nice way to make some extra cash. If you want a little extra money on the side, you know, this is a good way to get it. We have arrived at this address. So I will be right back. we wait. So on this dash, I've made $33.32. This is the little map that you get. Might trigger when I get a new order. You can extend your dash if you want to go a little longer, but I can't right now because I guess too many people are already going. You can pause orders if you want to take like a 30-minute break so you don't get any orders within a certain amount of time. You can end the dash, which is self-explanatory. It'll just end the current shift that you're in, and you can go back to home, which is this little screen right here. Just because we don't really have anywhere else to go, we're gonna drive to the Boston Market again because that's a hot spot, and it's more likely that we'll get an order around that area.
So what's the total at right now?
$33.32, and it's been 2 hours. All right, time to pick up the order. Almost like walking with that so many times. I'm gonna leave the car running. Right.
Dude, fucking Hooper.
So, it's getting kind of late. It's getting kind of dark out. It's almost 9 o'clock right now. This will be the last delivery for the night. I scheduled it to be until 8:30, but we got a delivery right before 8:30 hit, and the drive is taking a little bit longer than I thought, so it's almost 9 now. That happens a lot. Don't ever expect to, if you set a certain time to stop dashing, you'll probably exceed that time no matter what you do, so but that's okay, you know, extra money. I'm not complaining about that. Once we've already got the food from station, drop it off at this person's house. Once we're done with that, we're just gonna head home and call it a day. But it's been 3 hours. We've been, or I guess technically 4 hours. We've been working for 3.5 hours, I guess. And we made over $50. So, 3.5 hours of work, over $50. That's not too bad if you ask me. All right, so it's about 9 o'clock right now. Just did our final delivery. This night we made $53.26, and that was within 3 hours, 3.2 hours. This was a pretty decent day. Not too busy, but not too slow either. So now we're at Applebee's. We're gonna get a quick bite to eat using some of the money that I just made, and we'll try again tomorrow maybe. And that is the life of a DoorDash delivery person.